channel. And today, mag-unboxing tayo sa napanaroon ko kay Ma'am She Grace. Let's go! Ito yung box na kanina umaga ko siya natanggap guys. Okay, let's open. Scissors. Wow, ang marami. We have a seafood noodles. Seafood noodles. Dalawa siyang seafood noodles, guys. Yeah. Dalawa siya. And we have a chocolate. Almond. Wow. Almond. Macadamia. And let's see. Oh, here, guys. See. And almond. Wow, big one. And the last one is the bag. See, let's open it. Wow. It's nice. Wow. Ang bagat siya, guys. Wow, double siya. Two zippers siya, guys. Two zippers. Wow, may lip tint siya, guys. Wow. Lip tint. Gosh, ang ganda siya. Oh. May bulsa rin siya, guys. Dito. Ang ganda siya. I like the color. So that's it. Here. And okay. And two noodles. Cup noodles. So guys, sana nagustuhan nyo, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe my video. And once again, thank you Ma'am She Grace, and kita-kits in my next video, guys. Bye bye.